Perfect. And then who's here with the kiddo today? Awesome.
We're there to help you, and so the most important is that first impression, because we kind of set the tone for your whole visit that day.
Perfect.
My name is Kaitlin, and I am a patient access specialist, and I work everywhere from the main campus to all of our outreach clinics. We do all of the registration aspects, so we do emergency contacts, we'll deal with your insurance, getting that information put in. We'll also help direct you into where you need to go for your appointments, and so it's way more than what a secretary does.
All right, and then you guys can go up that elevator right there up to the second floor, okay? Thanks, guys.
When I was 17, I was at a hockey game. My now husband and his parents and my parents were meeting for the first time. I have a rare allergic reaction, but they still don't know what causes it. And I was put onto an emergency vehicle to get transported over to Children's, and I stopped breathing. As a kid, that's very scary to go through, and so knowing that I can work for a place that even, I may not be a doctor, I may not be a nurse, but to know that from where I started as a kid being afraid and giving it back to other kids, it just gives me a warm feeling.
All right, and then I just need to get an updated photo. Is that okay?
Yeah. Being a part of their journey, like seeing them grow up, it's bittersweet to see them, leave, but it's also just so rewarding to know that we've done our part in their lives and that it has such a good impact that I got to be a part of that.
Do you see a specific physician there or no?
We're being there for not only support for our clinics, support for our staff, but also being there for those families and those children. And it's knowing that we're there for those families is what matters to me.
Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys.